Hello and welcome back. I have for you a odds and sods type of video today. I have some old coins, tokens and medals all mixed into one. Some of them are coins that have been made into medallions or tokens, but here we go. First of all, we've got George the Second, George the Third gaming tokens. They have the crown shield on the back of them, as can be seen on this one here. It's just woo. As you can see there, the crown gaming shield. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those large shields. Some of them have got holes in. Not sure why they've got holes in. I don't know whether they were so they could put them onto a string or whatever. From the same period, we have 3 smaller gaming tokens, and these ones are from George, I think these are George the Fourth gaming tokens, who was also known as the Prince Regent. So there's 3 smaller gaming tokens from his period. Whilst we're on gaming tokens, we have a whole load here from a lady you would not normally think of as being somebody who would have gaming tokens, but they are Hanover coins, or Hanover gaming coins, gaming tokens. The Victorians liked playing cards a lot, and they had Victoria on the one side, and then this almost like St George and the Dragon. Sorry, not St George and the Dragon. A man on horseback, and it's got 2 Hanover printed on it. These are called the Hanover gaming tokens. There's 5 of those. Now comes some of the more interesting stuff. This one here has a cross. It has the whole the thing to put into have a chain going through it. It's got a single cross on it, and then on the reverse, we need to get in a lot more if we can. And very small printing is the Lord's Prayer. This is the sort of thing that you may have worn maybe during the First World War or something similar, where you'd have the Lord's Prayer on the back of the thing, that amulet you'd wear around your neck as a good luck charm. So whether that's actually a World War one or from before, I just don't know. Something that was just found was this. It's a weight. Now I don't know whether it's a weight that was used by the coin industry to weigh out 2 grams, or whether it was just a 2 gram weight used for just weighing stuff in general. This one has a very worn portrait that we can't quite make out who it's supposed to be of. Again, they all seem to have had holes drilled in them, so it looks as if they had been used for chains or on a charm bracelet, something like that. Not too sure. Can't really make out what's at the back, on the back there. So this is the smallest one of the lot. It is Victoria. Again, it's got a hole drilled just at the top of Victoria's head. Again, has it been on a bracelet or has it been on a on a necklace, and I think that's St George and the Dragon, but I can't be certain. It's very small on there. This one here has the Prince of Wales feather in a shield, so that with the, I don't think it's actually got his, it seems to have his motto on the ribbon just down the bottom here, which would be Ixteen, and that looks very much like a bust of George IV. In which case that was made at the time that it was either the Prince of Wales or the Prince Regent, and therefore, you know, it's a pity, because it could well be a very lovely coin. I'm not too sure which one it is. I think it may well be it could even be that one there. I believe is, although it's got the, this is a South Wales farthing from 1795. I've just looked at my notes. So it has the Welsh feathers on, Prince of Wales feathers. It is a South Wales farthing, so it's a quarter of a penny from the year 1795, which means to say it's either George III / George IV. I think the portrait is George IV. Oh, that's what it looks like anyway. Right, what else have we got here? I think it just says farthing on that side. Not too sure. I think that was a coin at one point, but which year it was I can't see very well on that one. So that's the smallest coin. This coin's George III. It has a Britannia on the back. My mistake, that's George IV, not George III. Sorry about that. We have here a coin that shows a medallion or a medal that shows on the one side is Prince Albert, on the other side is a young Victoria. So whether this was a marriage piece or not, I'm not sure. It doesn't give a date on it, but it is Albert and Victoria. Now, I don't seem to have an awful lot of information about this one. So, no, I'm sorry, I don't have any information about that. All I can tell you is that it's a medallion of Albert and Victoria. There we go. A straightforward one this time. It's a St Christopher. Yay! It's just had the hole which the chain would go through at the top here is broken away, so that's why it's not been in use by the looks of it for quite a few years. Then I have two more coins here. These are possibly for the marriage of Edward, Prince of Wales, and Princess Alexandra of Denmark. They both have George and the Dragon on the back in a wreath. So if I put that one there, that's probably an easier one to look at, and have Edward and Alexandra there. This one of the two has been turned into a pendant, because you have the loop there for the chain. So, a very much a mixed bag of mainly tokens, medals that were given by the that were covered sort of late Georgian, Victorian, and through to her son Edward VII. So we're talking sort of 1790 to probably about 1890, because I think the one to the Prince of Wales, as Edward Prince of Wales, and Princess Alexandra of Denmark, I believe was ones that were bought out for their wedding or their engagement, which would have been sort of late 1870s, 1880s, something like that. So, have you enjoyed this little look at these medallions and coins and medals and tokens? If you have, and you think, and you've enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you believe I deserve your subscription, could you also please go and subscribe? I am looking to try and reach 250 by the new year, by the end of 2023. I'm at 180 something at the moment, which means I'm about 40, 45, 50 more as my target. And I do need your help to get there. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week as a minimum. Just recently I've been doing 5 a week, so hopefully you'll be getting something or finding something that you enjoy watching. Thank you for staying till the end of the video, and from me, until we meet up next time, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.